In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Telegram group. Whether you're decluttering your chat list or stepping away from a busy community, I'll walk you through the process on Telegram Desktop and Telegram Web and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer or use Telegram Web in your browser. Once Telegram is open, look at your chat list. This is the column on the left that shows your recent conversations. Find the group you want to leave and click it to open the chat. If you have a long list, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the group by name. With the group chat open, look toward the top of the window. You'll see either a three-dot menu, usually in the upper right corner of the chat, or the group's name at the top. Click the three dots if you see them. That opens a small menu of actions. If you don't see the dots or prefer another path, click the group name at the top to open the group's information panel. Both paths lead you to the option you need. In the menu, choose Leave Group, or in some versions, Delete and Leave. Functionally, both remove you from the group. The difference is that Delete and Leave also removes the conversation from your chat list on your device, so you won't see the old messages sitting there afterward. If you prefer to keep a record of the past conversation locally, choose Leave Group. If you want a clean slate, choose Delete and Leave. After you make your choice, Telegram will ask you to confirm. This is a safety check, so you don't leave by accident. Read the prompt carefully and click to confirm. If you change your mind at the last second, you can cancel and stay in the group. Once confirmed, you're no longer a member of that group. You won't receive new messages or notifications from it, and it will be removed from your chat list if you selected Delete and Leave. Keep in mind that rejoining usually requires a fresh invite link or approval from a group admin. Also, depending on group settings, other members may see a brief service message indicating that you left. That's all there is to it. Open Telegram, desktop or web, open the group, click the menu or the group name, choose Leave Group or Delete and Leave, and confirm. Simple, quick, and effective. If you found this helpful, you're now ready to keep your Telegram organized and focused on the conversations that matter most to you.